Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Hyundai Elantra. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This energetic and feature-packed Elantra delivers the style and convenience you need to make driving a soothing part of your busy day. From its sculpted modern looks to its refined ride and tech-savvy approach to safety and infotainment, this compact sedan represents an exceptional value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, alarm, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor. Be inspired to drive your best life in this smart and stylish Elantra. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.